$3,000 in protection equipment to ensure Officer Donut's safety.
You guys trying to do this with a dog watching you right here? Hey, Scout. How about that?
Yeah.
Esta zona, podrán ver con las imágenes de Rufino.
So how are you coping with all the fame?
Неделя до 8 плюс 9 градусов. Стоять! Иди сюда! Эй, стой! Стой! Стоять!
It's going to say dry through the weekend. What in the world is that?
How are you? Woo! Live TV. How are you, buddy? It's not your turn yet.
Lake Ozark coming in at 9. Griffey wants to play. And okay, go get it.
Here we go. In 3, 2. Watch out for a little. Okay. Hey.
And the sunshine increasing, and there is a dog behind me.
And pop news from her home as well. Lara, take it away.
Have you guys heard the expression, the dog ate my homework?